Every time I hear something stupid, I'm going to do a video about it. A couple months ago, I did a video about taxpayer dollars putting crack pipes in these smoking kits for drug addicts to use while they're at a safe drug zone, to where you got medical staff there who can give them Narcan to try to revive them. Well, they pulled the crack pipes out like it never happened. Well, guess what? The damn crack pipes are back, and we are the ones paying for the damn things. Let's see here. Boston, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, New York City, and Richmond, Virginia. What the hell are we doing? We don't went down this rabbit hole once. Every damn time you turn around, the government is spending. Now we're putting the damn crack pipes back in these damn kits. No. The American people do not want that. They damn sure don't want their tax dollars going for it. No. Oh, Joe Biden, you get your ass in gear now on the baby formula, don't you? That mess started back in October. And you're just now realizing it's a problem. We got another problem with the baby formula. The Border Patrol. Apparently, some of the people that work for the Border Patrol, they did something they're not actually supposed to do. They took pictures of the pallets of baby formula that are down there on the southern border for the illegal immigrants to use. Now, you've got American babies in this country, American citizens, cannot get formula. I'm in Tennessee. And Tennessee is one of the worst states right now for people to not be able to find baby formula. The FDA, you really dropped the damn ball on this one. Because this, and then, what is it? The CDC says that the 4 babies that did get sick and 2 of them that did die from a bacterial infection was not caused by any kind of baby formula. But that deal, back to the southern border, those agents released them pictures. And matter of fact, they're supposed to have another big old shipment of baby formula coming within the next 3 days. Hey, dumbass, Joe Biden, if you ever did something like the Remain in Mexico, you wouldn't be having this problem. You make plenty of your own problems. Just like you revoked the leases for I believe it's 1 million acres of land between Alaska and off the Gulf Coast for the oil companies to drill. Now, they've been trying to meet with you because they want something a little bit better than your word, because your word is not worth a damn. Because every time you get before a microphone, you're either yelling, ranting, screaming, whispering, or damn and lying every damn time. No. This is not right at all. Also, this is getting ready to become breaking news. Remember a couple of months ago when you were having all the protests at the school board meetings and all that stuff? And Merrick Garland come out with his stern letter to all the prosecutors to be prosecuting people that act up at these school board meetings and all that stuff. Well, it's turning out they've been spying on people. Now, I don't have all the details on that, but I guarantee you this, in the next day or two, that's going to break wide ass open. What kind of country are we trying to run? Now, I worked for the government for a long time, state and federal, and I've seen them do a lot of things. But I've never seen them go to the extremes they're going to. This is all about power. Oh, another issue, I've got a problem personally. 2 weeks ago, you wanted $10 billion for COVID funding. Now, you're up to, I want to say, $23 billion in like 10 days. Where are you getting your math from? What direction are you trying to go with this country? But I guarantee you this I guarantee you. Every time you do something stupid, the Democratic Party is the one that's going to be losing votes. Every time. Now, a lot of the people on the Democratic Party who are running in the November 8th elections, they're trying to distance themselves from Joe Biden as far as they can run. Because the things he is doing is stupid. Flat bottom line stupid. No common sense at all. Just like that shit show of a bill Chuck Schumer tried to run through, that somebody said that the GOP filibustered it. No. You have to have 60 votes on that one. It was like 51-49 opposing it. Because men can't have babies. That was in that bill. And all the rest of the garbage that goes along with it. And that you could have a full-term abortion all the way up to almost the minute the baby's born. Really? No. So, keep it up, Joe. Keep it up. Every time I hear something stupid, I'm going to talk about it. If you like what I'm saying, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. Leave comments. I'll read as many of them as I can. Subscribe to the channel. Tell it to your friends. Show it to them. Bring it to their attention. They don't have to watch me on YouTube. You tell them. You check it out. Talk with your neighbors. Talk with your friends. And ask them, are you doing better off now than you were 2 years ago in the middle of a damn pandemic?